In this video, we are going to talk about 5 ways to earn money in COVID time. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. Many businesses were forced to reduce their workforces, and many more are unsure how long they would be able to sustain this condition. Many people are concerned about what would happen if they lose their work. To learn more, go to the 5 rules for being a successful high-level negotiator as a result of the effects of the health emergency, social distancing measures, and the halting of economic activity. The pandemic has resulted in the loss of 1,113,677 formal jobs worldwide in the first half of 2020. If you're in a similar circumstance, or believe you could be, or simply want to make extra money, here are 5 ways to make money from home. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the technique of making money, commissions, by promoting and selling a company's products or services. You are only compensated when you make a sale, exactly like a commission-only salesperson. While you're sleeping, you can make money. Affiliate marketing is how 99% of people get their start. The premise is that you advertise other people's items, usually through an affiliate network, in exchange for a commission if others buy as a result of your marketing. It works on the basis of income sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more of it, an affiliate network might provide a cash incentive to promoters. If you don't have a product but want to make money, you can promote one that you think is valuable and earn money as an affiliate marketer. If you're not going to develop an affiliate network like Commission Junction, there are basically 2 sides of the affiliate marketing issue to select from. You can become a merchant and pay others to market your goods in exchange for a percentage of the sales they generate. Alternatively, you can become an affiliate marketer for one or more goods that you want to advertise and sell to customers to earn money. While most individuals begin with affiliate marketing, which is unquestionably the simplest road to pursue, generating enough traffic to generate a substantial income just from affiliate sales is neither quick nor easy. Number 4. Ebooks. Producing an ebook may be really inexpensive, and in many cases, absolutely free, and selling your own ebook can earn you anywhere from a few pounds each day to almost nothing. The good news is that you have a lot of control over your future earnings, so it's worth doing the math. The price of an ebook can range from 99p to £8.99, but the shop, and your publishing platform, will receive a cut of each transaction. You can sell your book for whatever price you choose, and you can change it to test different strategies, but the best pricing is determined by the length, reviews, and competitiveness of your book. You could spend money on extra marketing for your book to boost its chances of success if you have the funds, or can crowdfund to pay for it, but there are plenty of methods to sell it for free, such as on social media. If your ebook is a hit and you have a big readership, you might want to attempt producing a series of books based on the same characters or topics. The ideal way to approach producing an ebook series depends on the type of your work, fiction or non-fiction, but trust your gut. Consider whether incorporating your ebook into a series of works would be a natural move. If your first ebook was a novel about a student's first year at university, for example, readers would be interested in reading sequels about the student's exploits in their second and third years. If you do produce a follow-up piece, make sure it's written to the same high standard as the first. Above all, make sure that any subsequent ebooks in a series have aesthetic worth and aren't just published for the sake of making money. Writing follow-on ebooks could earn you a lot more money, but only if your readers think they're worth their time and money. Otherwise, you risk receiving complaints, refunds, and negative reviews, which no author wants. Number 3. Services on demand. It may seem unusual to you, but many individuals no longer want to go to the store or the market because of the quarantine, so they are ordering everything from home. And I've found that some folks, even neighbors, provide excellent service or handmade cuisine at their homes. These are, of course, persons who are less susceptible to COVID-19. That is, if you suffer from a chronic disease or if you are someone in the elderly, please do not expose yourself. However, you might do little errands among your neighbors or community members. Number 2. Advertising. Blogging may be used to earn money in a variety of ways. Here are some ideas for monetizing your site through advertising. Pay-per-click, PPC, marketing. On your blog, you can sell your own ads. On your blog, you can sell text links. Ad networks with a cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM. Pop-ups. Paid testimonials. One of the most common types of internet advertising is pay-per-click advertising, commonly known as cost per click or CPC. It basically implies that when someone clicks on an advertiser's ad, you will be paid. Advertise on your blog. If your website already has a significant amount of traffic, you might want to take things into your own hands and sell direct ads on it. All you need is a page on your blog called Advertise with Us that lists the different types of advertising available and how much they cost each month. Make sure to tell purchasers about your Alexa rank, Google PageRank, and other traffic statistics. On your blog, you can sell text links. If your blog gets a lot of organic traffic, you might want to attempt text link advertising, which involve linking a piece of text on your site to another site's page. Ad networks with a cost per click model. We've largely looked at CPC, cost per click, models for ads so far. When someone clicks on an advertiser's ad, the advertiser pays you a cost per click, CPC. CPM, cost per thousand, is an alternative, where you are compensated for every 1,000 ad impressions supplied. Pop-ups. Although many businesses and bloggers despise pop-up advertisements, they are still available. These adverts might be displayed as pop-ups or pop-unders. Paid testimonials. You may make a lot of money by writing reviews for items and services you believe in. The nicest part about this arrangement is that you may choose your own pricing for each review. For reviews, I've seen websites charge anywhere from $150 to $500. Of course, your rank and inbound traffic, as well as your niche, play a role. Number 1. Membership site. Membership sites, like gym memberships, are venues where individuals may sign up for whatever you have to offer for a monthly price. Articles or reports, video lectures, webinars, checklists, templates, tools or software, and more are all available on many membership sites. People join membership sites in general because they help them simplify their lives, accelerate their learning curves, and/or provide more detail on how to do something than generic content available online. There are a lot of moving components in the formation of a membership or subscription-based business, but here's what you need to do. Create a list of membership business concepts. Make a list of your skills, hobbies, and previous experiences. Examine the types of membership sites listed above to see whether what you know, love, or do can be included into a membership model. What, for example, can you teach? Have you built a fantastic online tool that you can monetize by selling it as a subscription? Investigate your favorite concept to see whether there is a market for it and if the market is willing and able to pay for it. Many ideas will be praised by the market, but they may not be willing to pay for them, or the price they are willing to pay may not be profitable for you. Create a membership program. Determine what you'll offer, how and when you'll offer it, and the duration of your membership term. For instance, what kind of content will you provide and how will it be delivered? Will it be in PDF, video, or some other format? To accommodate diverse learning styles, many membership sites provide a range of information distribution techniques. Examine your resources. If you want to administer your membership via email, you'll need a website where people can sign up and an email provider that can send the content. Calculate the cost of your membership program. When you have your tools, you'll be able to estimate your membership's initial and ongoing costs. You should also think about the value of your time. Make your own content. It's time to establish the material and tools you'll be delivering once you've outlined your membership site. This will most likely be the most time-consuming aspect of your new business. Create a membership site. You'll need to set up your tools and start loading your material if you haven't already. Promote your membership site on social media. This is where you'll be spending most of your time and money from now on. A membership site can be very profitable, but only if people sign up for it. A membership site can be promoted in a variety of ways. To begin, you must first determine who your ideal clients are and where they can be found. The next step is to figure out how to persuade them to join your membership site. Maintain the functionality of your membership site. Make sure your content is current and useful to your subscribers. Always strive to grow your membership and replace those that leave. To keep members involved with you and others in the community, consider including a community aspect in your membership. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.